This house has got two main bedrooms, one for summer and one for the winter. Let me show you how beautiful the winter main bedroom is. We are now at the winter main bedroom. Look how beautiful this is. A very spacious room, and then they have added, in the middle is going to be a jacuzzi. And all these windows are going to be wall to wall, ceiling to floor. Just look at the amazing view that they've got of the mountain. Just imagine sitting on your jacuzzi, the blockouts is open, and all what you look is through the sheer, this beautiful mountain. Let me show you something else. This is going to be the makeup area of our client, and just look at this massive bedroom. This is the summer main bedroom. You'll see it is much smaller because you can walk out here, and there on the far end is the entertainment area of this beautiful place. On the left hand side is a jacuzzi, and then it is the beautiful swimming pool that they've got, and right on the far right hand side is the fireplace. So they are going to use this as the summer main bedroom because it gets all the north end sun that's going to warm up this beautiful space. We at Blind Concepts, we are really making your house a beautiful home.